So do you like to make something like this? If you produce something, do you like it? You need something to package your products, a carton, a small carton. So today I'm going to show you how to make something like this. For me, I use it in packaging my chop. So I will show you how to do something like this. So let's begin. So after getting your cardboard, you are going to make your cardboard, steady that camera. You are going to make your cardboard to be in two sizes. The long sizes, this one, and also this one, the short ones. You can see, yes, the short one and the long one. So this is what you need. For me, what I use in making this one is the length of this. If you are making the size of this, the length of this is 28, while the length of this is 22. Then the width, I think the width is the same. The width is 10. The width is 10. So let me show you how to make it right. So this is how we begin. So you first of all pick the long one. You are going to fold it. Zoom in the camera, bring it down. Fold it so that they will see what is happening. You are going to fold it. So you are going to fold it this way. Good, it's well folded. Then after that, this inch, that's about the 1 inch. Then I think this one will take the major part of it. This one should be about 2 inches or 2.5 inch. You can see this is going to be the downside, while this is going to be the up part. So after folding it, you are going to fold it, bend it inwardly like this. You make sure that both sides you bend it very well. So look at it. You also bend this side, bend this side, you bend it like this, you bend it like this. Good. So look at it now. So this is how it is. You have finished the first step. So you now use these scissors. Okay. So where you are going to cut actually is the smaller part, because it's going to be this. It's going to be show now. It's going to be this. So this is what we do. You put your scissors. You put it here. You cut it out using the lines that you see. Then you make a straight cut. You make a straight cut like this, so you have something like that. Then you are going to make a little out, cut a very little out like this out. Then you also come to this side, cut a little piece out like that. Then you go like this, you go like this. You also come to this side, cut it like this. That's how it is. Support your hand if your hand is shaking. You see it like that. So what we do is you're going to fold this in, because this is where you're going to add your gum. You fold it in. You fold this in. Okay, this is showing, so I want to cut it out now. Good. So you have something like this where you put your gum. Look at it here. So this is where you're going to fix it in. So you are now done with this. So you pick the second one, the short one, which is a, how long was that thing? You use your gum. You use your gum. I actually cut it short. I was supposed to make it 23, but I make it 22. That's why I want to add up this so that it will give me what I want. So this is the down part. So I'm gonna put my gum here. I'm also gonna put gum there. Okay, it's good. So I now pick this, no, not yet, pick a slant, cut it out, measure, show exactly what I'm doing. Then this, bend it like this, depending on the size of your carton. Look at, your folding from here is where you are folding this. So I do like this. Okay,